Hi, we're gonna make a frog amigurumi today. It's gonna look like this. This one has the tummy patch sewn separately. And what we're gonna do today is something like this, where the tummy patch is sewn into the body. Yep, so here we go. These are 3 little amigurumis. We're gonna make something like this today. Now with the body of the froggy, we'll start with crocheting the tummy first. So we'll start with yellow yarn. Again, similar to the eye socket, we'll start with a magic circle or magic loop. And this is how you start. Again, one more time. Yarn, pull to the back with your size 5 needle. Hook the yarn this way, make the loop, hook it again, and pull it through. 6 single crochets in the loop. Three, 4, 5, 6, 6 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Alright, and we'll tighten the loop. We'll be crocheting the little froggy in rounds. So this is the first round with 6 single crochets. Now in the second round, we want to increase the number of stitches to 12 stitches. So from 6 to 12, what we'll do is we will crochet 2 single crochets in each stitch. So 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 in 6 stitches, that will make 12 stitches. The first single crochet. Oh, that's a bit tight. And then yarn over, pull it through. Single crochet. 1. And in the same stitch, back in the same stitch, we'll do another single crochet. And then in the second stitch, again, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochet in the same stitch. So we are crocheting 2 single crochets in each stitch that we had made in the first round. So we have 4 stitches now. In the third one, again 2 single crochets. 1, 2. And let me finish up the round and come back to you. Hello, I'm back. So now you can see there are 12 single crochets on my round now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We're going to increase from 12 stitches to 18 stitches. And we do that by repeating this pattern, 1 single crochet in 1 stitch and 2 single crochets, which is an increase, in the next stitch. So looking at that first stitch, 1 single crochet, that's 1 stitch, and then in the next stitch we want to increase by putting 2 single crochets in that stitch. 1 and 2, back in the same stitch. So right now we have the pattern for this round: 1 single crochet and a single crochet increase, which is 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. So increase of 2 to 3 stitches. And we're going to repeat this pattern another 5 times. This is the second set. 1 single crochet in 1 stitch, and then an increase in the next stitch. So 1, 2. So I've kept my tension pretty tight for this piece, because the tighter the tension, the smaller the spaces between your stitches. It's up to you. You can loosen the tension and it will be easier to crochet. Right? So this is the second set. The third set, 1 single crochet, and then an increase in the next stitch. So 1, and back in the same stitch, 2. Okay, that's the third set. And we have 3 more sets to go. So essentially in this round, we have 6 sets. 1 single crochet, and then an increase. 1, 2. Right? And the next one, single crochet, and then an increase. 1, 2. And this should bring us to the last set. Yeah. 1 single crochet and increase. 1, 2. There you have it. So we should have 18 stitches. So yay! That's our tummy patch. Now that we have our tummy patch, we want to now change to green yarn, and we do that by finishing up this round with a slip stitch.